Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You already have accounts and permissions. Now sign in and pick the service user. Once logged in, navigate to the correct care home or client profile. Make sure the device has a stable connection and screen brightness is adequate. Tap the client tile, confirm identity details, and choose the current date and shift. This gets you into the live record so you can start capturing care events immediately rather than preparing more setup steps. Once in the client record, choose the task type and follow prompts to log the action. Use existing templates to save time or create a custom task for specific needs. This keeps entries consistent across staff. Record timings and outcomes precisely, add contextual notes, and attach photos where required. Make sure to select the correct staff member and apply an electronic signature. Doing this maintains clinical accuracy and legal traceability, while enabling teammates to see what you completed. Before you finish, review each entry for completeness and correct any mistakes. Accuracy matters. Once satisfied, submit the shift or save changes so the system can sync to the cloud and update other staff. Export or print summaries for handovers when needed. If syncing fails, retry and check network, then clear the app cache or relaunch the app. If problems persist, notify your admin with a screenshot of the error. This final sweep ensures records are complete, auditable, and available to the team.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.